In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss how to do the specials for charge-based characters. Now, in Guile's case, the controls state that you hold back down diagonal to forward down diagonal to back down diagonal to up forward diagonal, which is one way to execute the move. Now, unlike other situations, you don't have the luxury of executing this slowly. You should still practice slowly so that your thumb does the proper movements. But once you're actually executing this move, you have to be fairly quick in order to get it out before the character jumps. Now, the second way to execute these moves, which is in some ways a little more difficult because it requires more swift movement, is to go back down diagonal, up forward diagonal, back down diagonal to up forward diagonal, and then execute. The benefit of this is that you can combo that into from his flash kick into the super. I'm going to show that again. I'm charging down for 2 seconds, and as I hit that first up diagonal, I'm hitting the kick one time. Then I go back down and up again, and I'm hitting the kick again. And that's how you do Guile. Now I'm going to select Chun Li to show how to do hers, because she shows another kind of charge character-based super. Now her supers are holding back, then forward, back, and forward again to execute the super. And the kick button. I'll show you one more time so you can see the execution. Holding back down diagonal, now I can press forward, back, forward again, and the kick button. Charge for 2 seconds, of course. And that's how you execute Chun-Li's or Balrog's or any other character who has a similar super. The ultras are also executed in the same exact way. Now I have my ultras up on this button, which is a little more awkward than up on this shoulder button. But let's see if I can execute it for the purpose of this tutorial. And there you have it, same exact execution, except all 3 kick buttons at the same time. Now if you don't have a joystick, you don't have the luxury of putting your fingers in the claw position to execute these specials. So you'll be smart to have them on the shoulder buttons as they come on default. And whichever character you're using, you put it in the most convenient shoulder button for your gameplay. Hope that helps.